I am M. Satish Kumar Reddy, Assistant Professor in Namnashwar Engineering College. I am going to now Mathematics 1. In Mathematics 1, 5 units are there. Unit 1, Matrices. Unit 2, Eigenvalues and Eigenvectors. Unit 3, Sequence and Series. Unit 4, Calculus. Unit 5, Multivariable Calculus, means partial differential equation. From Unit 1, Matrices. What is matrices? Unit 1, matrices. What is matrix? What is matrix? A equal to A11, A12, A13, so on, A1n, A21, A22, A23, so on, A2n, so on, AM1, AM2, AM3, so on, AM. What is matrix? A set of mn elements, a set of mn elements arranged in the rectangular form of m rows and n columns. M rows and n columns is called a matrix. Matrix is, order of the matrix is m by n. What is matrix? A set of mn elements, a set of mn elements, a set of mn elements arranged in the rectangular form of m rows and n columns is called a matrices. Matrices, order of the matrices is m by n. Matrices is represented like this one. A is a m by n. Next, types of matrices. Types of matrices. Row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix having only one row, a matrix having only one row and any number of columns is called a row matrix. What is row matrix? A matrix having only one row and any number of columns is called a row matrix. Next, column matrix. What is column matrix? A matrix having only one column, any number of rows. A matrix having only one column and any number of rows, then it is called column matrix. Next, zero matrix or null matrix. What is zero matrix? A matrix whose all elements are zero, a matrix whose all elements are zero, then it is called zero matrix. It is represented by, it is denoted by O. It is denoted by O. This is order of the matrix here, 2 by 2. Next, square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix which have number of rows equal to number of columns. A matrix which have number of rows equal to number of columns, then it is called square matrix. Here order of the matrix is 3 by 3. Here number of rows equal to 3 and number of columns also 3. So it is square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix, a square matrix whose all non-diagonal elements. A square matrix whose all non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal elements are 0. At least one diagonal element is non-zero. Whose all non-diagonal elements is 0 and at least one diagonal element is non-zero. Then it is called diagonal matrix. Unit matrix. What is unit matrix? In diagonal matrix, all diagonal element is unity. In diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements are unity. Then it is called unit matrix. It is also says identity matrix. It is represented by I. Unit matrix is represented by I. Next to scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. In diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements are equal. In diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements are equal is called scalar matrix. Upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? A square matrix whose all elements below the diagonal elements are 0. A square matrix whose all the elements below the diagonal is 0. Then it is called upper triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix. Next to lower triangular matrix. A square matrix whose all elements above the diagonal elements are 0. It is lower triangular matrix. This is lower triangular matrix. Next to trace of a matrix. What is trace of a matrix? Sum of the diagonals of a square matrix is trace. Sum of the diagonals of a square matrix is trace. 1, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is here? Trace means sum of the diagonals of a square matrix. Sum of the diagonals of a square matrix is trace. What is trace here? Trace is 1 plus 3 plus 2. A trace means sum of the diagonal elements means 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 6 here. This is trace of given square matrix. Next to transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of matrix? A matrix obtained interchanging of the rows and columns, then it is called transpose of matrix. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 1, minus 1, 3. What is transpose of a matrix? A square matrix, any matrix obtained interchanging of the rows and columns is called a transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 1, minus 1, 3. It is interchanging of the rows and columns. It is represented by A transpose. Next, symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? A square matrix ASA is said to be symmetric if ASA equal to AJ for every I and J. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, 7, 9, 4, 9, 6. This is A matrix. What is symmetric? A transpose equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, 7, 9, 4, 9, 6. Here A equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, 7, 9, 4, 9, 6. A transpose also 1, 2, 4, 2, 7, 9 and 4, 9, 6. Here A equal to A transpose. What is symmetric matrix? A square matrix AJ is said to be symmetric if AJ equal to AJA equal to AJA for every I and J. Thus A is a symmetric matrix. If and only if A equal to A transpose and A transpose equal to A. Next is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A is equal to minus AJA. A equal to AJ is skew symmetric matrix if A is equal to minus AJA then for every I and J. Thus A is a skew symmetric matrix if A equal to minus A transpose or A transpose equal to minus A. For example, A equal to 0, 2, 3, minus 2, 0, 7, minus 3, minus 7, 0. This is A matrix, given matrix. A transpose equal to what is it? A transpose equal to minus A transpose equal to what is here? 0, minus 2, minus 3, 2, 0, 7, minus 7, 3, 7, 0. Here A equal to minus A transpose. A is a skew symmetric matrix if and only if A equal to minus A transpose or A transpose equal to minus A. Next, orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. A square matrix is orthogonal. A square matrix is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose equal to A transpose into A equal to I or A equal to minus A inverse equal to A transpose. What is orthogonal matrix? A square matrix is said to be orthogonal if A into A transpose into A equal to identity matrix or A transpose equal to A inverse. For example, A equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. What is the A transpose equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. Then A into A transpose equal to A into A transpose equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0 sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1 into A transpose equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0 0 sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. Then what is the cos theta into cos theta? Cos square theta plus minus sin theta into minus sin theta sin square theta 0 into 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to here A into A transpose equal to 1. Here cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus 0 into 0 total 0. Here cos theta into 0 0 minus sin theta into 0 0 0 into 1 0 total 0 here. Here sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta into minus sin theta into cos theta plus 0 into 0 total 0 here. Next here sin theta into sin square theta cos theta into cos theta cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 0 into 0 0 sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 0 equal is sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is identity, so output is 1. Here sin theta into 0 0 cos theta into 0 0 0 into 1 0. Here 0 into cos theta 0 0 into sin theta 0 1 into 0 0. Next here 0 into sin theta 0 0 into cos theta 0 1 into 0 0. Here 0 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 1. What is here? A into A transpose equal to I3. So A into A transpose equal to I, then it is orthogonal matrix.